Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And while we enjoy our dinner, we shall be serenaded by On the Cover Band. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy.
How can I find something It's really a pleasure being here with a band called On The Cover. And we're starting off tonight with this songs, classic songs that you all like to release. Here's one from Robert Holmes. She walked in the place. I knew her smile in an instant. I knew the curve of her face. It was my own little lady. And she said, oh, it's you. Then we left for a moment. And I said, I never knew that you like pina colada, getting caught in the rain, and the feel of the ocean, and the taste of sugar. If you like making love at midnight in the dunes of the Cape, you're the lady I've looked for. Come with me and escape. that I was looking for a way. Seems like everything must come. Not even if you smile, you sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me. Not even if you smile. Even if you beg me. Time after time, nothing that I can do. Knowing your ways and loving your ways, but not getting through it all. Day after day, learning to fly again. Now I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile, your sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Now I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile, please. Thank you.
Thank you very much. On the cover band.
Good evening, everybody. I'm so glad that you came to join us in this happy occasion. And I would like to give you just a short narration of the history of Sunstar and where we are right now. It was 25 years ago already, believe it or not, when we first printed the first issue of Sunstar. I remember we had a scoop then when we announced, we printed that Cardinal Rosales was gravely ill. We were able to scoop the other papers. But that was a very different time when Sunstar was born. Cebu was a very simple community, no high-rise buildings. Every place was 5 minutes away. And Sunstar started out as a community paper using, for the first time, offset technology. At that time, the other papers were using letterpress. And nobody thought that Sunstar would succeed. Because that cheaper but they were proven wrong when Sunstar circulation. So it was a very different time. Sunstar used technology to improve the quality of its community newspaper. That was 35 years ago. 35 years later, we have Cebu, a very different place, with high-rise buildings, population burgeoning. But then, also, technology has changed somewhat our operations. So, in the past, what we did was to use technology to present to you a quality newspaper. Today, we use technology to present to you quality news. Very different. What has happened is that technology has enabled the public to easily respond and to contribute to Sunstar paper. They can give their opinions, they can give their views, they can give their commitments, what they want to do. So times have really changed. But in all these instances, Sunstar remains a community newspaper. And that is what we really are, a community newspaper. Although the times then, when we started, were different from the times now, our mission remains the same, which is to share with you the events, the occurrences, the happenings in the community, so we share common experience. We also present to you the views, the thinking of others, so that we share with you a common understanding. We also ask you to make your assertions on what you think is real in Cebu, what the world is like now in Cebu. This way, you share with us, we share with you, we share together a common judgment. Also, again, we share with each other the things we want to do. Things have changed. The political situation has changed. The economic situation has changed. The technological situation has changed. And there are adjustments to be made. And so we share again common commitments, common actions, common decisions. And that really is the definition of a community. A community is one with common experiences, common understanding, common judgment, and common values. Now, how has technology changed our... Before, we did all these things, sharing with you experiences, sharing events, unilaterally, just on our side. But now, the functions of the newspaper, all the 4 functions, are now shared by you. So that it is detailed news, detailed opinion on your small platforms. So you have still to go to the newspaper. And we are happy to say that we are happy also to perform our function as a community paper. Because for us, holding the newspaper, that newspaper is the symbol of our community. Because that is what is really common. Many people surf the net, but different sites, and only for snapshots. But the newspaper is what is common to everybody, and where we can go more deeply into the news and the features. So the newspaper is a symbol of your membership in the community. It's also a badge of your participation in the community. So we are happy to present to you a newspaper with greater participation on your part. And with this, I would like to thank you for your joining us in the celebrations. And you can look forward to a very different Sunstar with you participating in every aspect of newspaper. Welcome to the celebration, and thank you.
Thank you very much. Attorney Jesus Garcia Jr. Ladies and gentlemen, the President and General Manager of Sunstar Publishing Incorporated, Mr. Julius G. Neri.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our party. I'd like to start by telling you that Sunstar through the years has been with Cebu through thick and thin. Historically, all the tragedies we face and all the triumphs we shared, Sunstar has been a part of our community. And the community has evolved and changed. What has before been a simple newspaper is now far more. As our chairman said, we are technologically driven, and we have continued to be at the forefront of technology. And we're very proud to share with you many firsts in the area of information. For one, we're one of the first papers in the country to come up with a website. Not many people know that. We had our website way before any of the mainstream national broadsheets. So, proud kita gyoy naguna kay kita taga Cebu. The times now are different. People are now spoiled for choice. You can get your news from a newspaper, from radio, from TV, traditional. You can also get your news from new media, online, from the apps, from websites, from social media, particular Facebook. But along with the new media, which provides us choices and opportunities, also are problems, among which are fake news. Diba? Daghan kaayo fake news. So, really, how can Sunstar help you? You know, if you read something from Sunstar, whether it's on Facebook, whether it's in our website, whether it's in the newspaper, you know it's gone through the standard, the high standard set by Sunstar. It's been checked, it's been verified, it's been edited, it's been proofread, and it will give you a very good perspective of what is happening in the community. Being technologically driven, we've also kept up with the times. And one thing I'd like to share with you right now, which we're very proud of, is our app. Like the website, we were the first newspaper in the Philippines to come up with an app. So our app is now on its third generation, and our app has several unique features which are not yet found in any of the other apps of other newspapers. Of course, being an app, it's customizable. You can choose what information you want to come to you. But what's unique is we are the only app who has incorporated in the app a payment gateway for classified ads. You can actually book your classified ads in the app, and these ads are both online ads as well as print ads. The app has been beta tested. It's now available for download in the Google Play Store. It takes a little longer for it to be available on the Apple App Store. but it will be available siguro by late December or January. So with that, I'd like to share with you the Sunstar app.
Welcome to the new My Sunstar. Preferences. Just focus on what you want, what you need. In your latest edition, let's have a look at a few key features. The interest feature helps you manage the kind of stories and information you want to get from Sunstar, be it business or sports. From Cebu or Davao, My Sunstar has it all. If you want to add more categories, just click on the menu icon and update your interests. Newsbits is where you can find in one glance a daily summary of the news around the nation, perfect for those who are on the move. And the Classifieds feature helps you post and manage your ad bookings wherever you may be, any time of the day. Just fill out the form, upload a photo, and submit for review. Your ad, once approved, will be published on the app or Sunstar newspaper. What makes My Sunstar unique is its customization feature. You will be the judge of what is news to you. Download now and enjoy.
Thank you very much. So that is the Sunstar app. You can download it now if you have an Android device. We have people around who are willing to help you in case you are not sure how to do it. Now, as you see with an app, with any app, what's the difference? What's unique with the app? It's instant, it's fast. You get the news right away, instantly. You don't have to wait for it to come out in the newspaper. And that's very common nowadays, instant gratification. But really sometimes the tidbits, the news bits really do not mean that much without being put in proper perspective, without the background information, without the backstory, the surrounding story. And that is where the Sunstar newspaper comes into play. The newspaper has evolved. We have been experimenting in recent times on different ways to present the news to you better. At one time we said, hey, since the websites are so popular, apps are so popular, let's try to make Sunstar look like a website. And we've tried that. It has met some degree of success. We've said, hey, let's try to make Sunstar a lot more visual. Bigger pictures, more infographics, and the like. Again, it has met some degree of success. But what we found out is that what is very important for a newspaper is to be complete, to provide judgment and perspective. Information. In the newspaper, news. Why, the house, the backstories, and the little history. And also with the newspaper, we have been very, very creative in different advertising implementations for advertisers. We're very thankful to have advertisers and partners who have different approaches to advertising. We've had false covers, we've had different implementations, some of which I will show you now in a very brief video on the Sunstar newspaper.
There's one with the Cebuanos. Our latest innovations bring us closer to our community, listening to their opinions and guiding them with the right information at the right time. The South Plus and Super Suroy feature new and upcoming local tourist destinations. Vitals and Super Sayo showcase their creative presentation of the news in images, graphics, and chunky bits of details. Talking and listening to the community are the main features of conversations, and Pulse reports are Sunstar's trademark of good journalism and explaining in depth on issues that matter. The Sunday issue and weekend's new and refreshing content make weekends light and refreshing. But Sunstar publications go beyond newspapers. BS Magazine caters to an entirely different segment. The Sunstar Cebu Yearbook is another venue to discover upcoming trends and new leaders in the community. These become a great venue for our partners, the advertisers, to present and showcase their brands. Advertising solutions in Sunstar have gone to a higher level that is competitive not just locally but globally. False cover is one of the most effective way of launching new products, services, and promotions with a maximum impact. The greeting ad campaign is very unique as it highlights the community spirit. Creative and out-of-the-box executions of advertisements have become a trend and is gaining support by readers. Executions blend well with the news where readers spend more time on the page, giving longer brand exposure. Sunstar will continue to innovate and expand its reach in the different platforms available to our readers. The noise in the digital spectrum simply makes Sunstar the most credible and trusted platform to go for news and information.
Thank you. And finally, we've all heard about Sunstar. I've talked about Sunstar, and so has our chairman. But this time, I would like to introduce you to the key people behind Sunstar. Actually, who makes the headlines? Who writes the stories? Who has the final say? So I would like to introduce everyone to our editors-in-chief of Sunstar Cebu, Sunstar Super Balita, and the Sunstar website.
Good evening, I am Isolde Amante and I'm EIC of Sunstar Cebu. Tonight I want to say thank you for the 35 years of support and trust you have given us. These years have been full of challenges, but they've also given us more than our fair share of rewards. As of October, for instance, we already won nearly 300 journalistic awards. Sorry sa mahamog gamay ha. From such institutions as the Philippine Press Institute, the Archdiocese of Cebu as well as Manila, the Rotary Club of Manila, and UNICEF, among many others. But as much as we value all these awards, far more valuable are the connections you have helped us create as one community.
And for many years, that connection was built on print. Hello, I'm Nini Caballero. I'm Editor-in-Chief of the Sunstar Network of Exchange, or SUNEX. It's the office that runs the website and other online projects. In 1995, Sunstar became the first community newspaper to build a website. Even before mass market broadsheets based in Manila did so. And with the website, we connect Filipinos, Cebuanos, in their offices or in their homes. They're able to reconnect with stories from. One feature of the website is our Sinulog coverage. Let me use that as an example. In January, we covered the Sinulog live from Cebu to Cebuanos abroad. We cover live the Walk for Mary, the Walk for Jesus, the procession, the 9-day Novena Masses, the Grand Parade, the music contest, what else? And all the other related activities. And they are very appreciative of that service. We receive messages of thanks like the Kang Salamat. Thank you for curing my homesickness. I miss Cebu. It's been 8 years since I joined the Sinulog. The Kang Salamat, Sunstar. And every time I receive such a message, I get goosebumps. Somehow it makes our work worth it. And it is through the website that we connect Filipinos.
Connection is the key. Hi, I'm Michelle So. I'm the editor-in-chief of Super Balita Cebu. It's the #1 paper all over, our community paper all over the Visayas and Mindanao. Super Balita is the paper that is most attuned to the pulse of the masses. It's the paper for the CDE market, but it's also the paper that strives to make connection to a far-reaching audience It's also the paper that is a paper that clinches the vote for the political candidates, especially in the urban areas. I think most of you, those who try to run for candidacy know that. So there's so much connection between Super Balita and its audience, and that's why we've been evolving since we're now in our 23rd year as a paper, and so much has changed since then. When we first came out with the story about a sex cult, so now when you see the pages of Super Balita, it's more than just gore and sex. There's also prayers, there's also super story, so much more. So we're evolving with the times.
That's true, Mitch. Website content in Bisaya or in the Cebuano language are very popular. Be it a controversial column of Bobby Delgado, or a Facebook live report of a recent drug raid, or a controversial press conference. They're very popular online, and it enjoys a lot of engagement with the public. At Sunstar, we made sure that the people could interact with us in whatever platform they choose, in whatever day, time, place, or handheld device that they have. We have the website. There's also the mobile site component, wherein if you access our website from your mobile phone, you get a format that is optimized for your particular device. We also have reporting in video, in multimedia, live streaming of events like this one. We also have newsletters, Facebook and other social media accounts, and even a Facebook robot to allow people to engage with us. We have created a Sunstar Web TV, imagine that, a community newspaper company with a broadcast channel on the internet. And the one that Sir JJ launched earlier is the app. Its features are customization and classified ads. So the app reflects the pioneering work we do at Sunstar. But at the core of all these really is, as Sir Sunny said, community. And that means you.
Speaking of community, Super Balita is most attuned to the pulse of the people, especially now that we have Facebook Live. I'm proud to say that Super Balita was the first ever to use Facebook Live among the local newspapers and other media outlets. So there's a strong connection between technology and Super Balita. That's why we're quick in evolving. We would introduce sections that are more reader-friendly, that has bigger audience reach. The Super Balita.
In the midst of all the changes we face, our commitment is to keep listening to you, including nasty comments occasionally on social media. After all, we've had a conversation that's lasted for 35 years, and we want to keep it going because the community, I think, is enriched by it. So, salamat kaayo for all the letters to the editor. Salamat for every comment you've left on our social media pages. For every time you picked up Super Balita and Sunstar Cebu, daghang salamat. We will honor our collection and we will honor your trust and support by finding and sharing with you every single day all you need to know. Thank you.
have something meaningful to say. You'll know the best ways to spend precious time with those who matter. And you'll share experiences with the ones you care about. All you need to know, that is what Sunstar offers.
All you need to know with Sunstar. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give Sunstar a big round of applause. And of course, thank you so much to Sunstar's president, Mr. Julius G. Neri, and Sunstar's editors-in-chief, Ms. Isolde Amante of Sunstar Cebu, Michelle Pizzo of Sunstar Super Balita, and Ms. Nini Caballero of Sunstar Network Exchange. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause.
Thank you so much. Mayong gabi ka na mga tanan. Hope everybody's doing great. Kumusta?
Kamusta ba? Busog na? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good evening, and welcome to the 35th anniversary party of Sunstar.
I'm Phoebe Fernandez, together with me is the handsome Jonathan Simufranca.
Thank you so much.
From ABS-CBN Cebu, and it's truly our pleasure and our delight to be joining everybody tonight. I know you've been welcomed warmly already by the executives of Sunstar Publishing Incorporated, but let us both again welcome all of you. There are a lot of reasons to celebrate, a lot of reasons to be thankful for, but this is important. We are very much grateful and thankful for your presence, for your time, and for showing your love and support to Sunstar Publishing Incorporated throughout the years. So ladies and gentlemen, please, why won't you give yourselves a big round of applause? Come on, make it louder.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen,
You deserve
for your support and love for Sunstar. And by the way, please do share your photos online on your social media accounts with the hashtag Sunstar@35.
Tonight is also very much lovely. The venue we have over here, the decorations, everything is perfect. We'd also like to thank SM Seaside City for the beautiful sky hall that we have tonight as our venue. Pretty perfect for tonight's celebration. By the looks of it, Sunstar is already at its prime and ready to take on another 35 years. Congratulations.
Speaking of numbers, Phoebe, you know, it is a matter of time until Sunstar will get its 300th award in its service to its community, just like what Mami Isolde Amante said a while ago. 289 awards from institutions like Philippine Press Institute, the Rotary Club of Manila, the Archdiocese of Cebu, Globe, Sinulog Foundation, and the United Nations Children's Fund. Why don't we give Sunstar once again a big round of applause? Congratulations, 289 awards as of October this year.
And they're just 35 years old. Well, anyway, they wouldn't receive such accolades and awards without all of you, their beloved partners and sponsors. So thank you very much.
That is right. But before we proceed, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to thank our generous sponsors for tonight.
Special thanks to our sponsors: SM Seaside City Cebu, SMX Convention Center, Bacardi, My Own Wines, and Ibiza, The Furniture City, Gateway Group, SM City Cebu, Calyong Shipping Lines Incorporated, Marco Group of Companies, Korean Air, Metro Department Store Supermarket, Marco Polo Plaza Cebu, Isuzu, B. McMahon, Movenpick, JP Morgan Chase and Company, Costa Bella, San Miguel Corporation, Nature Spring, BC, BBI, San Romeo Beach Club, Wells Fargo,
our lucky winners for tonight?
Once again, you may claim your prizes at the registration table outside.
Yes, next.
Moving on. Is that all? There you go.
That's all.
But that's not all for our first round of raffle prizes.
I know.
Right now we'd like to call on Sunstar Cebu Car branch head Miss Girly Veloso to draw the first set of prizes for tonight. For your Cebu South advertising and circulation needs, visit Sunstar Car office at Gaisano Grand Mall.
A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. It is in her hands your fate stands. All right?
All right, there we go. Our raffle prizes are first a Smart Bro LTE pocket Wi-Fi, and our winner is.
Our winner for the pocket Wi-Fi. Everywhere you go, you get a Wi-Fi. Janelle Batulan from East West Bank. We need Janelle here on stage, yes? Or you can just claim the prize at the registration table again. Thank you.
Congratulations. Up next, we will draw our winner for an overnight stay with breakfast at the Park Lane Hotel.
Congratulations. Our big winner is Charmaine Rodriguez Cara. Claim your prize at the registration table.
Next, overnight stay with breakfast at the Waterfront Cebu City Hotel and Casino.
Congratulations, John Michael Cole. Congratulations. Next up.
Congratulations. Next, lunch or dinner buffet at the Feria at Radisson Blue Hotel.
And the lucky winner is Samantha Yu. Congratulations, Samantha. And
our last winner for our first set of raffle prizes.
Congratulations, Charm Gallego. Charm Gallego, I heard you over there. Congratulations, claim your prize at the registration table, okay? Thank you so much, Ms. Girly. Daghang salamat. Ladies and gentlemen, why won't we give all our lucky winners for the first set of raffle draw a big round of applause?
Congratulations to all of you, but that's not the end of our raffle draw, of our raffle prize, ladies and gentlemen. Phoebe, why don't you tell them what are up for grabs later on?
So for those of you who haven't won yet, ay tagoon. Don't be sad, because later on in the program, we will be giving an AirAsia tickets for 2 to Davao. Second, an AirAsia ticket for 2 to Calibo. It's not only national, but we're going
It's
also
not only domestic.
international. Or domestic. Thank you for correcting me. A ticket for 2 to Seoul, Korea.
Oh,
Wow.
Korea, 안녕하세요.
And if you think that's it, you're wrong, because there's still more.
There's more. What else,
If
Phoebe?
you want, or if you've been dreaming of a Euro vacation or a trip to Europe, then don't dream no more, because tonight you might go home with a ticket, a business class ticket at Turkish Airlines.
Wow, ayun. We got your attention now.
Yes. For one, so tamo na lang bayan sa inyong kuya. To a selected destination in Europe. How about that? Give Sunstar a big round of applause, everybody. So,
Wow.
you have to stick
Please
around.
stick around, because the winner has to be around for him or her to claim his or her prize.
That is true. So you have to stick around for the later parts of the program if you want to win those amazing prizes. But
And once again, ladies and gentlemen, please do post your pictures online using the hashtag Sunstar at 35.
correct. But tonight, ladies and gentlemen, it's not just about the raffle prizes. It's not just about the delicious food being served for everybody. But tonight is also about giving recognition to all of Sunstar's valued partners over
like to present this token of appreciation to the company name for your continued support and patronage, as well as consistently being one of Sunstar Cebu's top 5 advertisers over the years. Given this 25th day of November 2017 at the Sky Hall of SM Seaside City, Cebu City 6000. Signed, Julius Neri Jr., President and General Manager, and Bayani Garcia, Sales and Marketing Head.
Now for our top advertisers, we will be calling your company name in alphabetical order. And for the representatives, please do come up here on stage, receive your plaque. And we'd like to request our representatives to remain on stage after we have called out the last awardee for a group photo after. Thank you.
Let's start. First, congratulations for advertising services and promotions, ASAP.
To receive the award, we have Ms. Pearl Hakalan, Managing Director of ASAP Advertising and Promotions. In behalf of Ms. Pearl Hakalan, we have Ms. Kate Boy.
For Chonghua Hospital.
To receive the award is Mr. Wilson Binawan, Sales Manager of Chonghua Hospital.
For Gateway Motors Cebu Incorporated.
To receive the award is Ms. Lizette Olidres, Marketing and Customers Relations Head, in behalf of Mr. Marquin Goho, the President.
For Isuzu Philippines Corporation.
Sunstar will be receiving the award on their behalf.
And for JP Morgan Chase and Company.
To receive the award, we'd like a representative from JP Morgan Chase & Company to be here on stage. Thank you. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Another big round of applause for our top advertisers. And please, for a good photo. Thank you.
Next, we'll be awarding our most innovative and creative in advertising. Is given to the client who has shown great creativity in their advertising placements, breaking the mold and thinking outside the box in executing their brand campaigns.
The award, ladies and gentlemen, for creative in advertising executions goes to Incorporated. We'd like to call back on stage Ms. Lizette Olidres, Marketing and Customers Relations Head.
Congratulations, Gateway Motors Cebu Incorporated. Next, we will be awarding our top advertiser for Greeting Supplements. This award is given to the client who consistently provides inclusiveness and engagement to the community during the company's milestones and celebrations.
We'd like to call on Attorney Jessica Cocalyong, Chief of Staff to the Founder and CEO, as well as Ms. Chanel Cocalyong, Special Assistant to the Vice President for Administration and Finance, to come over the stage and help with awarding. for being with us here on stage. And so, after we've awarded some of our partners tonight, let's proceed to another set of raffle. The second set of raffle,
right. So we'd like to once again call Miss Girly Veloso, Sunstar Cebu's Car branch head, to draw another set of prizes.
Here we go.
Here we go. All right.
Where are our amazing prizes for the second set? First up, a Smart Grill, again, LTE pocket Wi-Fi.
Our winners will receive those prizes flashed on the screen. So we will have 5 winners for this set.
First winner of a pocket Wi-Fi, congratulations, Ray Dinial. Congratulations. Please grab a prize at the registration table. Thank you. Next up, an overnight stay with breakfast at Park Lane Hotel. I think you will give this to me. Adrian Dungson of ABS-CBN. Congratulations.
He's here, for sure.
He's here. Congratulations. Next, an overnight stay with breakfast at Waterfront Hotel. Congratulations. Oh, Marco Paolo Delejero. Trajaro Delejero. Congratulations.
Congratulations to you.
Next, a lunch dinner buffet at Feria at the Radisson Blue. Congratulations, Grace Ferreros. Congrats. And lastly, our winner of a lunch and dinner buffet at Feria, still at Radisson Blue, Felix Suico Jr.
Congratulations, all the winners. You may claim your prizes outside at the registration table. And thank you so much, Miss Girly.
Thank you so much, Ms. Bernie. Don't hold this second time around. Don't be sad again, because we still have those domestic and international flights waiting.
Up for grabs.
Okay, so that's for later. But now, let's enjoy good music,
That is right.
good talents, and more importantly, Cebuano talents.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, help us welcome Cebu singing sensation, Kurt Fick.
May gabi sa tanan. Yo, happy 35 years on Star. Thank you, Mayo, for having me tonight. And of course, daghang salamat sa pag-apil sa nako sa pipil na katuig na akong nag-shoot. So, daghang salamat. And kanikata, mga yung sa mga kanta sa album na sila sa area. So, muli siya ang puno. Di ko masabi forever. Ako Sunstar until abot ang time na ako rin i-shoot. So, technically, nagdako ko half of my life, technically, nagdako ko nag-shoot for Sunstar. So, I'd like to thank Mami Nujin for that, and of course, everyone else. Thank you, kayo. And of course, it's only ko music at the end. So, yeah, there's this from history. So this next song is it's from This Pop 3.0, and yeah, it's technically a love song. Here you go.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, Sunstar. Ito, newspaper article was by the lady Tana Neri from Sunstar. So thank you very much, Sunstar. Cebu proud all the time and making Cebu very, very credible. It's making Cebu #1 in the whole entire Philippines because of Sunstar. Do you guys agree? Right. Okay, my boy right here, his name's Yusef. He's an adopted Cebuano. And my white brother over there is another adopted Cebuano. He's actually the husband of our performer later. You guys will see later. And they have a school. They have a school here in Cebu, a music school called the Brown Academy. Alright, let's do this, brother.
Just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You'd be like heaven to touch. So mother, I love you. In the back, everybody, let us sing. Don't be shy. Go! Don't bring me up ready. Right here, this side. Oh, I love you, baby. Let me love you. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I want her so much. And long as love has arrived, and I think I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. Thank you very much. Ito, you're my favorite ito. Thank you very much, you're the best. I gotta tell something, everybody. I gotta tell everybody, the whole Sunstar family, this happy 35th anniversary. I gotta tell this story. I started my racing career when I was 11 years old because of one man and one family, the Garcias. So I owe everything to them. Jed Boy Garcia, Jed, that's my mechanic right there. That's the best guy. He's my mentor in racing. Jess Garcia, Justin Garcia, Ayani also. The whole Garcia family is my mentor, and I'm very, very proud. I'm very thankful.
kisses, sweeter than honey. Guess what? I need the sun.
Sunstar for having me for your 35th anniversary, because I am able to thank you for all the support that you have given me since the time I started performing. I remember my first ever major concert here in Cebu. My sister, Karina May Fehi, actually worked in Sunstar for quite a while. Kay malusag ko sa inyong love story. Nakita yung pagdating sa iyang ex. Ibisto dili. Di na ko ay kay nanay mga children. Anyway, I will never forget, my sister used to bring me to Sunstar office to help in college back then in San Jose. But anyway, Sunstar has really supported me for so in my singing and performing career. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sunstar. Daghan kayong salamat. Daghan kayong salamat niya. Thank you also for having me. You know, God gave me this passion in music and singing and now teaching. This is my best, my only and my best way to give back to you. It's my way of saying thank you. Thank you, kaayo, Sunstar. Sir Alex, tuning ka kalihog. Dapat muslim ko kamay na.
Rangkel. 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 Pag-video gamay. Pag-video gamay. Sayang manok siya.
because it's